Hello everyone, Claire from Love Finance here. I want to talk to you about being project ready. And what I mean by that, as a lot of you do know, I work with a company that does a lot of research for my clients for them to purchase investment properties. But sometimes they miss out because they are not project ready. So what I do to make sure my clients are ready to go as soon as a great opportunity comes along for them to invest in is I have them set up so that they have already got their deposit organised. And how we do that is we look at what equity they've got in their home. We set up a separate loan to their existing home loan, if that's what we're doing, or their existing investment loan. And we use that as the deposit that they need to put down for the property. Now, as you know, lots of the properties that my clients purchase are actually off the plan. So they only have to put down the 10% deposit, and it might be 12 months, 18 months before that property settles. So you mightn't be ready to buy an investment property right now, but what's really important is that you do not miss out on a fantastic opportunity that could come along by not having a deposit ready. So sometimes I get, word of a property that might be coming up in a couple of months, and then I let my clients know, and if they're ready to go, then they've got the deposit, put it down, and they have not missed out on a fantastic opportunity. So are you project ready? If not, perhaps give me a call or go to our website, www.lovefinance.net.au, and get in touch with me. Thanks.